Good afternoon and welcome our activity today. So we still in the unit 1. So here we got the title of 11. It's named as Rearrange sentences from these 6 questions here. So let me sound like pronunciation for you and listen carefully. The first one. We got an excellent provide delivery service. My company. Second, you how much handle cargo per year. The next, 2 other countries not ship we chemical products. Go ahead for the fourth. The responsible for B, the warehouse manager, also vehicles and machinery. 2 foreign companies, car parts, this vendor supply. And the last we got, usually arrange for companies, a freight forwarder, documentation. We realize that we have questions 2 sentences here. You can find it by the question mark raised. Here we got question sentence. Be carefully when you would arrange. You got a verb, you got a subject, you got object part that they're coming from this part in sentence. But realize again, remember this structure, we got a subject, right? Subject plus verb. Then we got object. Yeah. First of all, you have to find out which words as verbs. Right? So verb, and then you place them to the right position, depend on the structure of the sentence. It means that you have to translate in every word. For example, an excellent. What does mean in Lao? So this is questions that you have to looking for. Okay. And then we got to provide. Provide. So part of its speech is noun or verb or adjective, kind of this. And then you have to translate in Lao. What does mean in Lao? When you rearrange, you know that the sentence is always follow the structure. So you get the subject, which one it should be the subject. You consider them, right? Every sentence will do the same thing. So after that, I'm going to show you the right and correct answer here. From the first, we got the answer. My company provides an excellent delivery service. So see the company as subject in the sentence. Provides is a verb. Okay, as a verb, let me write the short form. We got my company. My company, I'm going to make a short by S, okay? S is a subject. Full spelling like this. Okay, subject is the first part of the sentence, right? And then we got verb. Verb, spelled as here, is the second part of a sentence. At the next part, we got an excellent delivery service. So all of it we call as subject. Okay, or you can write as a short form like this. Okay, so this is the last part of a sentence. Clearly about all correct sentences like this and write them out. Then I would ask you which parts. Okay, I'm going to ask you about which word that's showing the second part of a sentence. Second part of a sentence, we realize certainly that verb. Okay, then you just underline it. For example, here, I underline it like that, and then try to translate it now like this. You rewrite it out. Provide. Alright. And then you translate now here. Put them in the blanket. Does this your activity answer and all of questions? I hope you enjoy and learn something from this video. Thank you so much for today.